All right, big update. Didn't really feel like videoing this weekend. Just a little too tired for that. So I just want to give you guys an update. We have our gate fully built. Thank you, Calder. Calder, Jeremy, and Paul were out here today. Got a lot done. Started putting in our fence posts. What we're doing is we're taking logs and we're just splitting them in half. We're just milling them in half. And we got them all the way around. Got everywhere you see an orange flag, that's where we still have fence posts to put in. But once we do, it'll be all fenced in. We could let the dogs loose, let our doggies go. It'll be a good time, it'll be fun. You can see where we're milling them, fence posts. And yeah, it's turning out pretty good. One thing we got done is we also finished the vapor barrier and the insulation on the subfloor, which is good, which is always great. And can't really see, but up there, actually let's go up and show you. But Jeremy was kind enough to take on 2 projects this weekend. One was to finish putting on the polyurethane onto the tent platform, and then start putting in the support beams to the tree that goes across to possum nibble no. That way, in case the tree dips down as its branches that are holding it up rot and fall, it stays supported. Let's take a gander. I haven't been up here since he finished, so let's see what work he's done. All right, there are the 2 supports. Awesome, very happy. And here's the platform all stained up, looking nice. Rain will take care of those footstep prints. It looks great. And for reference, there's the mill, there's the woodworking yard, there's the cabin, and down over there somewhere is the little bridge that we made. Oh, it's nice. It's a hot day. It's as hot as a hot dog, but it's coming along. Everything is turning out nice and green. Can't complain. It's really nice. Well, thanks for stopping by here on this latest installment of La Granja Escondida. And we'll see you next time. Next time we'll do a little bit more video work. I was just too tired for it this time. Someone's ripping through. Dirt bike guy. I don't know him, but he likes to roll through. Sounds good. All right, let's take one more look at that gate. Oh, I'm loving that gate. Calder did a really great job. Love it. All right, see you next week. Bye, guys.